यार, this is too funny. This is way too funny. क्योंकि जब मैंने ये live शुरू करना था, तो what I would have done was, I was gonna tell you guys कि if we reach to 10,000 live streamers, I'll release a song tomorrow. And it's just happened. This is insane. Wow, I can't believe there's 10,000 of you guys. जी सबके, this is Dana, but henceforth this is easy. Serenity time. And let me just see where everyone is. This is the first Nile Ali Bhai, my brother, got me as a gift somewhere. Literally सोचा हुआ था कि आज अगर हमने 10,000 लाइक और वो गाना तैयार नहीं तो रहा, मुझे करना पड़ेगा पूरी रात. And then let me also see over here. Love all the way to you in Bangladesh. Love all the way to you in India as well. I don't know how long. Apparently, turns out कि मैं speak Punjabi. सुन सुनन च यही है कि सारी ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਬੈਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਵੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਹੈ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਯਾਰ, ਉਹ ਕਮਾਲ ਲੋਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ. ਅਸਲ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਤੇ ਆਰਟ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਇਕੱਠਾ. ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਹੌਰੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਅਜੀਬ ਜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਅਜੀਬੋ ਗਰੀਬ ਜੀ. But anyways, किसी गाने का नाम एंटीसेप्टिक है. You know what? I'm not even gonna lie. I went through the list of my entire album track list, and मैं ਇੰਨੀ ਕੁ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਲੱਭ ਕੋਈ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਲੱਭ ਜਾਏ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਂਟੀਸੈਪਟਿਕ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦੇਵਾਂ, ਲੇਕਿਨ unfortunately I feel that that's not gonna happen, because no such song was giving such energy. But yeah, I love the editor for this. Kudos to the editor for cutting that scene so brilliantly. And I continue that such carries forward, such grace carries forward, if you know what I mean. But anyways, aa gaya Urdu pe. Acha, timestamps in the album that might make you lose your mind. Yes, there's a lot of songs that have was sort of really calculated by virtue of conceiving an idea, so not just randomly at all. तो बहुत सारे गानों के बहुत time stamps हैं which are just going to take you from one place to another. Two of those songs I have with Mr. Madlock Gilani, जिसके मुझे messages भी आ रहे हैं जो मैं खोल नहीं सकता. Thank God मैंने अपनी read वो off की हुई notifications where you can like read the messages as well, because if I could read the shit that these guys are sending me, I'm pretty sure that I would lose my mind. And यार मैं सी है, मैं कुछ नहीं करता, मैं बालों के लिए जानी यही है आपके सामने. ये देखो, ये हाथ फेर दिया, बाल बन गए. सही है, रेडी जी, शॉर्ट के लिए रेडी, खत्म होगी बात. और क्या करना है, बालों में इतना कोई वो करने की जरूरत नहीं. जितना ज्यादा आप शुरू हो जाओगे ना, you see this guy, मैं रोज right here, check your WhatsApp notice. यार, if I do that, what's gonna happen is this video is gonna go on pause and I can't do that. But anyways, अगर उतना अर्जेंट है तो मुझे इसमें लिख के बता दे कि ब्रो खोल और मैसेजेस एक्चुअली देख, तू कुछ गलत कर रहा है. Oh, Mr. Hamza is here. हमजा आ गया अपना बदला लेने के लिए. But I've put a link over here, which is the current, this phase is the, I'll write this down as well. This is the Serenity Before the Storm. And in this phase tomorrow, so apparently since we did hit 10,000 live viewers, tomorrow we will come out with the release of the song. Someone else is also messaging me right now. I can't open it. Sorry, my love. Anyways, so there's this one song that I had written, and I got the chance to perform it in different cities and worlds. Though, gosh, I could go and perform this for aliens as well, but different countries and different cities, and a lot of really good in-depth sort of response for this song, which is called Samatija, and I tried doing it on like on just an acoustic guitar on the beach one day when I was in LA, and we went to this place called Point Doom with my director, jiska naam hai Moon. Actually, that's so weird. But anyways, hi from Japan. Hello, hi. So anyways, here goes nothing, and this is probably the song that's gonna come out tomorrow. यार इतना मजा आता है कि पहले मैं ये गाना गाता, फिर मैं कहता now you know what, if we get to 10,000 followers हम ये करेंगे वो like I just went live and bro, hi Allah. Anyways, okay. Baby, with you, time feels like ever so slow, slow emotion flowing through you. My reflections getting much gray. सुनाती जा कहानी हमारी जो रह गई अधूरी, मिलो है तू क्या ये होगी भी पूरी, आती जा भाती जा दिल को तू मेरे यूं भाती ही जा, अपना भी सोचूं तो हो सजा. So what if it's true that we're toxic, or maybe it's you and I'm just blinded, but I don't care who. Let's toss the drama and get on our way. 'Cause baby, with you, time feels like ever so slow, slow emotion flowing through you. My reflections getting much gray. So very sort of you know, this was written over like a period of different like years, over a course of like 3 years, क्योंकि इसका जो पहला हिस्सा था that I just made one morning when I woke up, and I went to the studio, और जिसका सबसे पहला working title था that was What Afternoon Feels Like. And then, you know, as soon as that kicked in, everything changed. So, you know, I knew right there and then this has to be called Samatija. And then I had only written it till the point we had the first chorus. फिर उसका जो second verse था वो जिंदगी के एक बहुत और phase के अंदर मैंने लिखा था, which I have not sung yet, and I hope for you guys to listen to this tomorrow. And by the way, tomorrow I'm thinking of like okay, the song was bomb, all is forgiven, Khuda Hafiz. I love you, baby. I love you so much, Mr. Hamza Sohail. Lekin khair. So yeah, I think like tomorrow I'm thinking of an 11/11 release, because the song is like, it's not a song that you know I would want to put out when like there's noise in the world और हर बंदा अपनी बक बक कर रहा है, और like पता नहीं मेरे लिए तो that is how it is. That's why I don't like the days as much, and that's why you will always see me come out into the light, into the world when the moon is out. So that's just how I am. मुझे नहीं पता कि किन्ने को तुसी ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਤ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਰਾਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਦਿਨ 'ਚ ਜੀਬ ਖੱਪ ਜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਜਾਗ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ it's ਧੁੱਪ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਗਰਮੀ ਹੈ ਪਸੀਨੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਅੰਡੇ ਲੈ ਆਓ ਉਹ ਖਿਚੜੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ it's like just a lot of like noise and stuff so that's why like I just prefer that in the night is where we shall reside and that's where my peace is and that's why like I think these midnight live sessions I'd like to come forth with where we start discussing things that regular people probably are not fit to discuss so this is the serenity section of the album the section of the album jo bahut storms of serenity translates to tufan or sukoon the literal translation right which entails the yin yang of life or this is how the sonic spectrum of the album is as well there are songs that are like this which are just serenity and होता है ना जब बहुत खामोशी होती है बहुत ज़्यादा जैसे मेरे स्टूडियो में अभी बहुत ज़्यादा खामोशी so you start hearing a right so when you hear that in that the smallest of noise that comes like if I drop this key it's really loud so that's why like after the storm's over and there's that silence within the spectrum of that silence is where some of these songs will come into play and I'm excited because we kick off with Samatija in this rollout. Currently, the two songs of mine from the Serenity section jo exist kar rahe hain abhi. Wo hai Shukriya and Khwab. These are two songs that are already out there from the Serenity section. Storm section, we have Pindi Hawa, Afterlife, and Am I Beyond? Which is personally right now, from all the releases that I have out there in the world, is right now my favorite song. Am I Beyond? It is the true representation of a brewing storm within me. So tomorrow, Samatija, we release it together as we always have done things. I will come live with you guys and I will press the publish button on YouTube with all of you. Hopefully, we still have the same 5,000 people. We show over 10,000 people, I hope, and then we have the same 5,000 people. And then we just go ahead with it. But love to you guys. Tell me how you like Samatija and it's been such a long time since I played the nylon. That's crazy. But anyways, sorry, I got lost there for a second. Been a while since I played that riff as well. That last song is called Shape of My Heart by Sting. Probably a song you can listen to after you go But there's a lot of features, a lot of things. Of course, Alistair to hai. There's a bunch of other artists as well, and lineups are definitely going to be announced soon. So yeah, guys, thanks for joining in, and consider this like a sort of a mini backroom session, you know.